You have a completely wrong perception of this job. In this simple mind block results in low pay, undervalued opinion, a constant search for work. Here's what's wrong exactly. Just have more 5-star reviews. Just bid less. Just do more work. No one shows you how it's done properly. And since you treat it as a job and listen to those dudes, you don't even bother thinking there are people ready to give you money outside of Upwork and Fiverr. You don't even bother learning how to sell, so you end up working for minimum pay. You work on projects that don't even mean anything. Clients don't respect you. You're playing defense instead of an offense. So here's the shift I want you to do and remember forever. You're not an employee. You're not a freelancer. Your proposal is not a CV to a company. Your edit is not a task. It's your product. You are a business. Marketing agencies provide service. Barbershops provide service. Uber provides service. Video editing is a service. And it's a damn valuable and in-demand business. There are new editors emerge every day that do know this stuff. And if you want to make it as a video editor and stand out, you need to learn how to sell and market your service before it's too late. Because then, you will control the price. Your promo will hit directly to clients you want to work with. The way you search for clients will change. You will see it's not only Upwork and Fiverr. And not only will you start valuing yourself, you will be finally treated as a pro and respected. 99% of you don't know how to do it.